Some creators upload their very first short, and boom, 1 million views. And then there's you, uploading consistently for months, optimizing everything, trying every trick, and still stuck at 3,000, maybe 5,000 views. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not even talent. Most of the time, it's the upload process. Yes, the way you upload your shorts actually matters more than you think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete, updated YouTube Shorts upload process, step by step. What to click, what to skip, what actually matters for growth, and what most creators completely ignore. Let's begin. Step 1. Where should you upload from? You can upload shorts using the YouTube app, YouTube Studio, or a desktop browser. Now let me clear up a huge myth. The algorithm does not care where you upload from. It doesn't matter if it's your phone or your laptop. Your short will be treated the same. But if you upload from the YouTube app, you unlock more native features like trending audio, built-in captions, effects, and easy thumbnail frame selection. So if you want maximum flexibility, use the YouTube app. If you're just uploading fully edited content and don't need extra features, desktop is perfectly fine. There's no ranking difference. Step 2. Should you use trending audio? This is where most creators make a mistake. Using trending audio does not guarantee virality. Let me repeat that. Just because a sound is trending doesn't mean your video will blow up. If trending rap music is viral, and you're making finance or educational content, and you force that audio into your short, your retention will drop. Why? Because the audience cluster for that sound is different. The algorithm groups content based on viewer behavior patterns. So only use trending audio if it matches your niche, it fits your audience's vibe, or you are intentionally recreating a trend. Otherwise, skip it. Content and audience alignment will always beat trends. Step 3. Does thumbnail matter for shorts? Most views do come from the shorts feed. But here's what many creators ignore. Shorts also appear on the home page, search results, suggested videos. And in those places, your thumbnail absolutely matters. You have two options. You can select a strong frame from your video, or you can insert a custom thumbnail into your video for 1 second, and then select that frame while uploading. If your short gets pushed outside the feed, your thumbnail becomes your click trigger. So don't ignore it. Step 4. Title strategy, not SEO psychology. Please stop stuffing keywords into your short titles. In the shorts feed, nobody reads long, robotic titles. Instead, create curiosity. For example, instead of saying, how to gain weight fast, say, this helped me gain 10 kg naturally. Can you feel the difference? One is informational. The other triggers desire. Keep your most important words within the first 35 characters. Hashtags? They're not that important. If you use them, add them at the end. That's it. Step 5. Best time to upload. Use data, not guesswork. Stop asking in comments, what's the best time to upload? There is no universal best time. There is only your audience's best time. Go to YouTube Studio Analytics Audience Heatmap. The darker the purple, the more active your audience is. Upload 1 hour before your peak time. Why? Because it gives YouTube time to test your content before traffic spikes. Simple, strategic, effective. Step 6. Description and SEO, only if it's search-based. If your short is entertainment-based, SEO barely matters. But if your short answers a searchable question, then yes, optimize the description. Use 1 main keyword, 10 to 15 related keyword phrases. Do not keyword spam. You're helping the system understand your content, not trying to trick it. Step 7. Use the related video feature, hidden advantage. This feature is powerful. Add a related video, especially if it's part 2, a full long-form version, or part of a series. Here's why. Even if someone leaves your short halfway, if they click your related video, your session watch time increases. And YouTube cares more about total session watch time than individual short watch time. That tells the platform you can keep viewers on YouTube longer. That's how authority grows. Step 8. Retention is everything. Now, listen carefully. Even if you upload perfectly, even if your timing is perfect, even if your SEO is optimized, if viewers swipe away in 2 seconds, your short dies. Short success depends on a strong first 2 seconds, fast pacing, no dead air, pattern shifts every few seconds, constant micro-curiosity. Ask yourself honestly, would I scroll past this? If the answer is yes, fix it. Because YouTube measures swipe rate, average percentage viewed, replays, retention builds reach. Final truth, uploading correctly increases your chances, but retention creates virality. Master both, and you won't stay stuck at 5,000 views anymore.